Weird comparison. No, it's not. This is I'm curious why there's no sound on the menu. That was a controversial take, maybe. Who's making that argument? Have fun, enjoy the bonks. Half-Life uses purely environmental storytelling, so listen to the dialogues and explore. Turn off the updated models for the OG experience. I don't I don't know if I have them on or I don't know if I have them on or not. Ah, but we should get into it. The screenshot sound when you press stuff on the menu freaked me out. Can you guys hear anything? I can't. Let's just... Oh, there we go. Oh, select difficulty. Is this game hard? It's old, so I assume it's really difficult. No. Wait, should I go to the training room? Maybe? No, it has hard parts. Hard mode is really hard. Easy. Set medium. Medium, I imagine, is like normal, right? Play training. Okay, let's try the training room. Oh, not the Steam logo. Oh! Why is it so... Holy loud.